Alright, how's it going everybody? Thomas with Wood Vendors here. I'm in Indiana today at our slab mill, checking out all these large live edge slabs. Just came here to show you guys the process of how we do everything. What I'm showing you right now is how we package up a flattened slab. This is an 8-foot walnut tabletop. It's beautiful. It's getting picked up today. It's got live edge all around this corner. So we wanted to make sure it's totally prepped and ready to go in freight and transit. Make sure nothing breaks. So what we do, we make a little bed for it first. We get 2x4s, chop them up all individually, and make sure everything fits a perfect pallet for this tabletop. After that, we get a piece of MDF board and nail that to the pallet and make a nice bed. After we got the bed, we got a couple packing wraps that we use for this. Our first one, our most protective part, besides the wood, is going to be this. It's just kind of a styrofoam wrapping material. We wrap the slab completely in that, make sure all the live edges are nice and protected. Once we got that, we got these two cling wraps. This one goes around the styrofoam, kind of tightens it all up, and this one just shrinks it all up together. Makes it real protected, nice and tight. So once all that's done, we just throw it on its bed right here. Then we get a couple small 2x4s to make some blocks, and then we add a blanket on top, another piece of 1/2-inch thick MDF board. So pretty simple. We got these bands right here to secure it. They weave underneath of the pallet. They go under the pallet, back around it to make sure everything's nice and secure. You can pick this up. Nothing's moving, nothing's breaking. We do get some problems in transit sometimes, just like everybody. So we do a real good job trying to protect it to make sure nothing happens. If you got any questions about this, just let us know. If you got any tips or ideas, let us know. And give us a call for some slabs. We got plenty here. Thanks guys, talk to you later.